Pre-calc midterm packet problem number 3. We have x plus 1 over x minus 9 minus 2x plus 6 over x minus 1, and we multiply by the other term that we're subtracting from. So we have one term with the denominator, another second term with the denominator, and we multiply each term by the denominator of the other term so we can have a common denominator and add or subtract across the common denominator. X minus 9 over x minus 9. X minus 1 over x minus 1. So I'll multiply in this fashion. And so then you have the equation x minus 1, x times x plus 1 over 2x plus 6 times x minus 9. So what we can now do is FOIL for each term. Now we have x times x, which is x squared, x times 1, which is 1x, negative 1 times x, which is negative x, 1x and negative x cancel out, and then negative 1 plus 1, which is going to be x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 times x minus 9. So that's going to be x squared minus 9x minus 1x is minus 10x plus 9. So x squared minus 10x plus 9. That's x squared minus 1 times 2 minus 2x plus 6 times x minus 9, which is going to be 2x squared minus 18x plus 6x minus 54. Also over the same thing, x squared minus 10x plus 9. So negative 8x plus 6x, that's going to be minus 12x, so that we ultimately will have, now you have a common denominator, you can subtract the terms. You'll have x squared minus 1 minus 2x squared, that's going to be minus 12x, minus negative 12x is being plus 12x, minus 54 is going to be plus 54. All over x squared minus 10x plus 9. So lastly, we can simplify terms. X squared minus 2x squared is negative x squared plus 12x plus 54 minus 1 is plus 53 over x squared minus 10x plus 9. And that is going to be the answer to rewriting one rational function subtracted from another rational function as a single fraction right here. And that's problem number 3 in our packet.